Yo, what is up, guys? It's about to start storming really bad, and I guess I'm going in. This could be my last video, but let's not talk like that, right? Let's have some fun, and let's go. Into the woods we go. This is usually where the tornadoes hit. And oh man. Oh my gosh. Over there. That's where a huge storm could be at. Maybe even a tornado. Man, this tall grass. Oh my gosh! I gotta go. About to be lightning. I gotta go. We gotta go. Oh man. See you in a second. This is Brock right over there. Guys, I need to go back out there. I have to. I'm trying to get you guys some good content. I gotta do what I gotta do. Alright. Let's go back in the woods. Full speed, no stopping. We're going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. This tall grass is extremely sketchy, bro. This storm, man. I have stuff in my shoe and it hurts. Ow. It's poking me. I don't think I'm bleeding. Oh no. I don't know. We gotta go though. All right. In this little field. You never want to be in a cornfield while it's storming and there's high chance to be tornadoes here. Oh my gosh. Right over there, those woods right there, there's an entrance that we usually go. If you want to see that video, please hit the like button. And me and my friend, we may go in there sometime. And oh man. It's time. I'm like, got a good little spot right here. Man, all right. I don't know when the storm's happening. Hold up. It's starting to rain. Oh, getting bit. Mosquitoes. It's about to start raining. Bad. Oh. Bugs. Man. Oh no. Guys, I don't know why I'm doing this. Hey, just saw someone running right over there. Focus. Right there. Oh my gosh. These bugs are getting me. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm getting itchy, guys. It's supposed to get bad. Standing at that spot right there. Squid bugs. I just saw, oh my gosh, all across the sky, just a bunch of thunder and lightning. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? It's starting to pour. It's starting to pour. Oh no. It started. We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh no. Oh no. It's starting to pour. We gotta go. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my shin. Oh my shin. Ah. Come on. Ah. I can't run now. Oh. This ain't good. It's starting to rain a lot. No, there's bugs all over me. On my shoe. I just got it off though. Oh man. We gotta hurry. All this tall grass right here. This ain't good. This field, by the way, floods bad. I've been in the woods also. There's like a creek. Everything was flooded. And I explored in there before my YouTube career. Well, before this YouTube career. I told you guys on Epic Gaming YT a few years back that I would be doing this. Whenever I hit 15, 16 years old. And I am 15 now. And I'm making you guys vlog videos and shorts. So y'all better hit the like button for this. I just made it out. Just made it back to my house. And oh my gosh. Whoa, my knee. My knee. My goodness. Alright. I'll get back to you whenever it starts to really storm. Back outside. It is pouring rain right now, so I'm gonna go get something to cover us. I'm back. I don't have an umbrella, but I'm in this shiesty right now. So let's do this. Let's go. Come on. It is pouring. My mom's new car. Her look, a big Tahoe. Pretty nice. Oh my gosh. Yo, what's going on? Someone get a wreck? Yo, somebody get a wreck? Yo, what is going on? I don't know what's going on. Yo, I don't know what's going on. The storm though, it's coming in. The water just started the video again and oh my, it's getting worse. All right, it's starting to get way worse now. I think it's about here. It's pouring. Look, the road's about to start flooding. It's getting bad. It's getting bad. My phone is getting soaked. Oh my gosh. Yo, it's bad now. Oh my gosh. Man. Oh! Yo! Lightning! I'll be out here back in a second. Oh! It's time to go out there. I got me a little head protection. Let's go. It's really gloomy out here. Let's go back by the road. Over there, where we're just at. It's very gloomy over there and dark. Oh, my eyeball. If anything happens, I'm gonna have the shed wide open so we can run in this shed. This is gonna be our little safe place. Right there. Oh. Dude. It's getting way darker now. I don't know. Oh gosh, I just stepped all in that. You've got to be kidding me. I didn't see that. Oh gosh, our road's starting to flood a little bit, our little street. Now I got wet socks, which is great. Oh! Right above my head. Right above. We gotta get in the shed. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, you guys saw that. Oh my gosh. This is not great. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! There's light up in here. Oh gosh. Whoa. Yo, whenever I was a little kid before, whenever I lived back in my old state in town, I was so scared. Lightning struck, like, this isn't the same place, obviously, but from where I'm at, it's like right there, like right in front of the wood over there, struck, like, oh, wow! Whoa! Yeah, this is not safe for me to be out here. It's getting bad. I need to close this a little bit. It's starting to pour. Go, Civilite, go! He's going right into the storm. The storm is coming from this way. The Arkansas way. Oh my. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh my gosh! That scared me. Wow. I'm gonna sit down right here. I'm gonna leave you guys right here. I'm gonna put the phone right here like this. Oh! I gotta go. Oh my gosh. I had to go get my phone. Woo! Out of breath. Oh, this is not good. There's a window right there. Nothing behind me except all my stuff in the storage. It's starting to dim down though. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's 72 degrees right now. It's starting to slow down. Lightning literally all around here. It was not good. What? Oh yeah, shout out to the Iowan boys. Probably my favorite YouTubers. They do this stuff too. Like Hurricane Milton, that was insane. The Hurricane Milton was actually insane. I don't know how they had the courage to do that, but oh my. I'm gonna turn back and get out real quick and look at this field. Oh my gosh. It's even worse over there. My Hades are getting soaked though. Definitely gonna have to wash these things later. And my other shoes too. This is insane. It's getting really dark too. This is actually insane. I do not want to turn the switch on for long. What am I doing? I've never seen a tornado in my life also, like in person. I've only seen them on videos and stuff. Starting to get worse and it's starting to get darker. Oh wow. Now it's getting bad and windy. Oh no. I think I may have trapped myself out here. Oh! Again, you guys a good view. I can't see anything. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Please tell me we're not in a tornado right now. It's getting in here. It's windy. It's bad windy. The trees. The trees. Oh no! I don't know if I could do this any longer. I may have to go back to my house. Please tell me there's no tornadoes. Starting to slow down again. Nope, go back up. Have protection over everyone's house, please. Amen. Oh man. Everyone's gonna be fine. I believe it. God is putting his hand over us as protection. We're all gonna be fine here. I believe so. I know so. You just gotta pray. If this ever happens to you, just pray to God. And you will have an amazing chance to make it out of a big storm like this. It is pouring right here. Man. I'm going back out for a little bit. Goodness. So I'm looking at this right now. Severe thunderstorm. That's my county right there. Tornado watch. My county right there. Flood watch. Where's mine at? Right there. The first one. So, man. I'm going on the radar right now. That is like all the storms. What am I doing? That's a huge puddle I stepped in. And also my shoes are soaked. My socks are soaked. Man. That doesn't sound too good. Man, it's cold out here. Even though it says it's about 70 degrees. Man. Man. Whoa! Come on, those birds. It's hot in this mask, I'm not gonna lie. Still have this hoodie over my head. I think I may go back inside for a little bit. And never mind, looks like I gotta stay. It's starting to pour bad again. My gosh. As we go right here, look at the color change that just happened. It went from like pink to blue. Like, that's insane. Alright, so really no excitement. I was hoping I'd see like a tornado from afar, but yep. If I see anything else, I will get back on, but this may be the end of the video, so see ya.